Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this red halation effect on CapCut PC. So let me just copy and paste the video, and you're just going to add in blur to the second video. So select blur and add it there. You can adjust how blurry you want it to be, maybe at around 45%. Select your video and go to filters and type in green orange. Select it and add it to your image like that. Then go to the blend mode and select overlay. You're then going to go to adjustments, go to the curves and go to the red section here, and you're just going to bring that red up. And you're going to get another red like that. And that's pretty much it. If it's not red enough, you're just going to make it more red by using the curves here. But I think that's red enough. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!